When I met with the homeowner, he told me where he wanted to build his new bathroom and kind of what he wanted to have in it and where he wanted to have it. And originally he wanted the toilet where I'm standing. I told him I thought it would be better, on the other corner. And so what we've done is we've arranged to have the shower in this corner, and then the toilet will be in this corner over here. So we have the toilet will be installed in this corner, and then in the other corner we'll be putting in the vanity sink top with a medicine cabinet and blah blah blah. It just goes on from there. Once we get everything in place, we'll replace the tile so that it becomes a finished floor again. What I've done here is I finished the hole in the plate in the wall up there, and I've run the hose up through there into the attic where I've just left it lay. And now I've just finished taping the hose to the actual part that the dryer hose will hook to in the wall. And I'm not quite ready to secure it, but this is where it's going to go, right in here. And then, like any other dryer hose, it'll just hook up right here. The drywall will be on here, and they'll have their vent. And that's all there is to it. I cut a hole in the plate up there and through the old drywall and just extended this hose. It's just laying in the attic right now. I've got to finish that at a later time. Right now I'm trying to get ready to put the drywall back on the walls here.